Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to hide search box in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So as you can see in my desktop, I have search box here in the bottom of my screen. And let's say you want to remove this search box. So I'm gonna show you how. First, you can open your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, and hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your personalization in your left side menu here, click on it, and then you can scroll down until you find taskbar here, click on it. And as you can see, you will find search option here, and there is drop down menu. You can click and you will find some option like hide, search icon only, search icon and label, and only search box. You can just click hide here and it will gone in your taskbar. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.